Today we're letting our husky get her snuffle and fetch game on, with the help of our new pack of Fox dog toys. It comes shipped to your door in a tiny little box, and believe it or not, there's 2 decent-sized toys in here. Open it up, and inside, you can find a Frisbee Fox toy that comes complete with a crinkle mat and squeakers, and then a long Fox toy with dual squeakers and snuffle pockets to hide treats. Neither of these toys have stuffing, and are made out of a soft plush with strong inner lining. The long Fox toy even has a slot where you can insert a bottle and add some extra crinkling fun. I brought them out to the backyard, and our husky was immediately ready to play. She ran over, and we played tug for a bit. We played frisbee with the Circle Fox toy, and she went wild. She was jumping all over the place, swinging the toys around and catching them in midair. After I got some of her energy out, I put in some treats into the snuffle pockets to engage her prey drive in a different way. Our huskies need mental and physical stimulation, and these toys are perfect. They can forage for treats, play tug, and we can even stuff a bottle into the Fox and create a whole new type of playtime. She definitely had fun crunching on that bottle and trying to get it out of the toy. These toys also have a unique texture, which helps your dogs naturally clean their teeth as they play. And our huskies have been loving these toys. They've been playing with them a ton, and they've held up strong. I mean, just look at this tug of war between me and my husky. These toys are going to last for sure. So whether you're wanting to play tug, play frisbee, or let your dogs forage, this pack of dog toys might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go play some more frisbee with my husky and my new Fox toys. See ya!